Yeah, okay na yan.
Yung white bottle.
Yung white na bottle. Carefully. Ilang scoop?
Dalawa rin.
One more.
Oh, okay na. And then, you stir it with this one.
Oh, you close it, Pam.
Close it. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Very good.
Oh, you mix it.
Mix it.
Yung hindi matatapon po.
Lapit mo kasi. Yan. Layo-layo naman kasi.
Slowly lang. Mix it.
Slowly lang. Oh, wag kung saan pinupunas balong.
Ito gamitin mo sa likod. Yan. Tapos slowly lang.
Pagkugaso mo agad ng kamay si Konwame. Wag mong pinapahid sa damit mo, yung Pierre. Sige at baka lason yan.
And then what's next, Dad?
Put some water in a cup.
And then?
Meron na.
Draw some water from the cup with the
teka lang.
syringe.
Wait lang.
Yung syringe.
Oh, isi-ringe daw yan. Isi-ringe.
Oh, you get.
Pierre, wag mo tinatanggal yung balong.
Opo, isuot
mabubulag
mo
ka.
lang.
Gusto mo mabubulag?
Yan, oh. You get water. Oh, galing.
And then, slowly put in the volcano. Slowly lang.
Slowly. Oh, that's so cool. More, Daddy? The volcano's erupting.
Karen.
Oh, no.
See?
Oh, more water?
Maybe that's... Okay. Some more...
Half only, half.
Sige, punin mo na.
Oh no! Let's go.
Yay!
Yay!
The more the powder, the ano daw.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, you wash your hand now.
Oo nga.
Oh.
Oh, kagaling ng volcano mo. Wash your hands.